Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante. So if you watched my previous videos, a long time ago, I actually did a test drive on the Audi SQ8, around 500 horsepower. The Urus Lamborghini Performante, 666 horsepower. It is kind of the same engine, similar chassis, so today in this video, let's gonna see how much better does this Performante drives versus to the Audi SQ8. So if you're folks interested, let's go for a quick drive. So first off, the startup. So right over here, it's got a super cool latch that we can use. Open it up super quick, and the start-stop button. Sound is absolutely amazing, and the interior too. Of course, if you just put them like side to side, it looks pretty similar. I won't lie, it still has the Audi virtual cockpit, right? You press the view, I'm sure you can expand it or shrink it, right? Got the touchscreen, double touchscreen with all Q8, SQ8, RSQ8. But it's really cool to have, like, of course, additional stuff here. Carbon fiber, the layout is a bit different. And you got this super cool fighter jet start-stop button. Here, there's no drive. You just gotta tap it once, right? You gotta press the brakes, tap it once to go to drive, and then reverse and park and reverse is right over here. This one, there's different drive modes. Track, there's this rally, strata, it's everyday, sport, track, right? So it's really cool. But other than that, pretty much has a similar Audi infotainment, that elevated speaker as well. This one's pretty much fully loaded to the max. Alcantara, everything, Alcantara stitching. It's got Alcantara extended as well. Super duper nice, right? And of course, if you look at the seats, it's just amazing. Of course, I know this drives better, but how much better? And is it pretty much worth triple the price point? So if you're interested, let's go for a quick drive. So I'm just gonna set everything together. Honestly, it's really got that Audi vibe, head-up display, like everything, but whatever you touch, way more different. The texture is way more different. The Alcantara is actually very nice Alcantara. You don't feel that flimsy feeling. It just screams quality everywhere. But off the bat, we're gonna start at just the regular mode, which is the Strata, right? With everything here, everything pretty much feels the same because we're not pushing it right now. So the Performante is pretty much the top level of the Urus, same as the RSQ8, and honestly, it drives amazing. If you've driven the RSQ8, there is a bit of turbo lag from a stop to a get-go, but this, I'm really happy to tell you, there's no lag whatsoever. Instant torque, whatever you need, it just goes. It's absolutely amazing, ladies and gentlemen. 666 horsepower right at your foot. Absolute crazy. It's gonna go to sport mode. It's gonna slow down a tiny bit. It's gonna downshift. Those pops and bangs are just unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. And this car is absolutely crazy. The good thing is it holds its value too. Just as used, has around 7,000 kilometers. We're still listing it at 380, I believe, or 420, but it does hold its value a lot. This is crazy. The exhaust sounds absolutely amazing, but it's not obnoxious like the SVR. That's just way too loud. You just can't hear anything. The size of its weight, it does drive really nice, really agile. You don't feel it's too heavy. One thing for the RSQ8 is the steering and the drive feels a bit disconnected, but I'm happy to say this, you do really feel connected. You will know exactly where your car is at any given time. And this car is amazing. Like the pops and bangs, the instant torque, the horsepower, it just keeps on going. It just pulls and pulls and pulls and pulls and pulls. The torque range is amazing. Starting from like 2,500 RPM, right even up to like the around 6,000 RPM. There's a constant horsepower, constant torque. This car is so much fun. It's got really good brand recognition. The residual is actually very high. So if you want to switch cars every 2-3 years, you can still actually do that and you won't lose a chunk of the value. I do see myself driving this every day. It's not too hardcore. If you go back to Strata, you can still drive it every day. Exhaust is not obnoxious. There is pops and bangs, but it's not over the top. It's really good. Honestly, the Urus Performante, even compared to an SQ8, it's like triple the price. I don't know if it's worth triple the price, but I can tell you it is triple the fun. It is so much more engaging. It's so much more responsive. You feel special. You feel special in this car. You feel the whole Lamborghini experience, from how you turn it on, from how you shift gears. You do feel a lot more engaged, a lot more special. It's not just an Audi, it's a Lamborghini. You really have to drive it in person to really appreciate it. On paper, it doesn't look that dramatic. It doesn't look like, wow, it's a must buy. But once you drive it, once you actually experience the whole Performante experience, this is worth every single bit. So thanks for watching this quick drive with me on the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Are you shopping for a high-end sporty SUV? If so, apart from this car, what other cars are we comparing with? So definitely let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching this quick video, folks. I'll see you on the next one.